Hi, my name is Dhruv. I'm 31 years old. I am here today at MedLinks to get a hair transplant. So the reason I'm getting a hair transplant is because I've always had really good hair, but the last few years I think I was losing hair and I didn't want to look like this in the coming years. So that's why I'm getting a hair transplant. Why I chose MedLinks, I kind of went online, searched for a lot of places to get a hair transplant. This was the best center I thought I could have access to. I saw a lot of videos. Dr. Gorang has done a wonderful job over the years with a lot of patients, and that's why I decided to get a consultation here. Even a couple of friends who had gotten their hair transplant from here recommended it to me. So that's why I'm here today, and everything till now has been really smooth and nice, and hoping for the best. Hi, my name is Dhruv, and today marks the 8 months since I got my transplant done here at MedLinks, and everything has been great. The results, as you can see, the growth is very good. My hair are very voluminous again, and special thanks to everyone here at the MedLinks team. It has been a very smooth experience. The procedure was painless. After that, the support from the doctors has been tremendous. Special mention to Dr. Rajiv on how he handled everything. I've met him almost every month after the transplant, and he has never refused to meet me, and he's always been very straightforward about how it's going to be, and whatever he said is what happened, and my results have been very good now. Very satisfied. If you are someone who's confused about where to get their hair transplant done, rest assured MedLinks is the place for you to get it done. Everything will be smooth and there is nothing to worry about. Thank you.